Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure the sheet uses the correct locale because that controls the default currency symbol and decimal separators. Once the locale is set via File Settings, select the cell range you want to change. Then open Format Number and choose Currency or More Formats to find the exact symbol. You do this now so number parsing and display match your expectation. Make sure to include any header row and to double-check sample values for decimals and separators. Next, refine how currency appears and convert amounts when needed. Use accounting if you want left-aligned symbols and currency for inline symbols. Both respect decimal places. If you need converted amounts, use a formula like equals a 2 asterisk Google Finance, currency, a store, to pull live rates, and then round or format to 2 decimals. Once done converting, paste special values to lock numbers. Make sure formulas reference the correct cells and ranges so totals and sum formulas update properly. Finally, lock in your changes and validate results. After pasting values, reapply format number currency to ensure display consistency, verify totals and conditional formats. If symbols still show wrong, clear formatting on affected cells and reformat them. This removes conflicting local styles. If you used live conversion formulas, make sure Google Finance is returning current rates and refresh the sheet if needed. Troubleshooting tip: wrong currency symbol usually means incorrect locale. Change file settings and reapply the currency format to fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.